First personal foul, 13 foul, bonus shot, pasok para kay Moncito. Number 7. Number 7, fires the 3. So good. Rebound by number 27. Half last pass to number 3. Number 3. Whoa, get layup, no good. Number 7. Ito na, number 7. Is it 8? So good. Rebound by number 6. Pass to number 3. Spin move. Pass to number 6 ulit. Number 6 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 3. Sino na rebound? Number 5. No good pa rin. Now, number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Also, 1 minute 55 seconds. Number. Good. Rebound me number 2. Number 7. Number 10. So good. Rebound me number 6. Traveling daw pala tinawag. Number 6. Nakibang number 27. Ito si number 3. Number 3. Foul. Basket is good. Foul number 7. First personal foul. 40 foul. Ng mga agree. Third pa lang pala. Kanina pa lang agree. 14 foul na. Number 7. Number 7. Binigay kay number 18. Number 18. Hesitate. Binigay kay number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Number 18. Close one. Go good. Kanya ulit. Kanya pa rin. Binago. Go good. Binigay kay number 3. Number 3. Ito naman siya. Wala. Diba kay number 2. Binigay kay number 7. Push up 3. No good. Sino makakita? Number 6. Binigay kay number 5. Number 5. Oy. Offensive foul. Number 5. Number 7. Binigay kay number 2. Binigay kay number 18. Open shot 3. Bang! 3 points number 18. Number 3. Binigay kay number 6. Binigay kay number 3. Binigay kay number 27. Basket is good. Number 7. 15 seconds to shoot tayo. Number 10.